Here we come to the elevator at Executive Office Plaza in Bryan, Texas. This is an open air office space of some sort. It's a classic Dover traditional. I'm so glad this elevator is still original. I finally get to revisit after many, many years. I'm not going to do all the other elevators since I already filmed them back in 2020 on the other buildings at Bryan Drive, because for one, I filmed them back in 2020, and second of all, they're closed on weekends. So let's ride this one. Here we go. Oh, I love that chime. Let's see how well we're able to hear the motor. Starts with a little bit of jolt. A little bit low on oil, but not bad though. Anyways, here's your ADA compliant phone. It's much better going up during the second ride because this thing was like sitting down all day long, and people like me were the first to take this thing. After it's been sitting down for a while, the pump gets really, really dry. Interesting, look at this. Oh, I thought that's like a plug cord or some sort. I didn't see that. But anyways, these are your classic Dover traditional fixtures. See if the bell works on this floor. Nope, it does not. Look at this. Adams replacement. It's got an Adams replacement traditional button. All right, let's get on to one way in there. I want to sample that chime. I love that bell. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna send this up. I'm gonna call it down so I can hear it. Oop, I just almost tripped on that, sorry. There's the machine right there. Of course it is low, and it's low, and it's low on oil. Yep, Adams replacement. I wish the car was not zoomed by so quickly so I can get a much better sample of the chime. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.